Do you crave the exhilaration of earning instant PayPal real money? Ever wonder how to do so in a fun and exciting way? Well, let's introduce you to the Givvy Lucky Numbers app. It's not just an app, it's a free lottery running every 10 minutes, offering you a chance to win real money by merely playing a game. Imagine matching 10 out of 80 numbers and voila, you've hit the jackpot. And if you don't guess all 10 correct numbers, no worries, the reward simply rolls over to the next draw, keeping the excitement alive. You could win up to $1,000. And the best part? The Givvy Lucky Numbers app is absolutely free to download and play, with no in-app purchases or deposits. It's all about the thrill, the anticipation, and the sweet, sweet potential of a payday. With Givvy Lucky Numbers app, earning real money has never been more enjoyable. Now, you may be wondering, how exactly does one play and win on this app? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First off, you need to select your numbers. You've got a range of 1 to 80, and you can pick any 10 numbers that you fancy. Maybe you've got some lucky numbers up your sleeve, or perhaps you fancy a random selection. Your choice. Now, once you've got your numbers picked, it's a waiting game. The Givvy Lucky Numbers app runs a free lottery every 10 minutes. So you've got 6 chances every hour to hit the jackpot. And remember, there's real money at stake here. You could be pocketing up to $1,000 if your numbers come up, but here's where it gets even more interesting. If you don't guess the correct numbers, don't fret. The prize money rolls over to the next draw, increasing your potential winnings. It's like a snowball effect, with the prize amount growing and growing until someone hits the jackpot. So, what happens when you win? Well, the app takes care of everything for you. If you're lucky enough to guess the right numbers, your winnings get transferred directly to you. No need to claim, no need to enter any further details. It's a smooth, seamless process. That's it, as simple as selecting your lucky numbers and keeping fingers crossed. So you've won, congratulations, but how do you get your hands on your hard-earned cash? Well, it's as simple as pie. Givvy Lucky Numbers provides a plethora of options to withdraw your earnings. No matter where you are in the world, your money is just a few clicks away. Firstly, there's the ever-reliable PayPal. With a few easy steps, your winnings can be transferred directly to your PayPal account, ready to be spent on whatever your heart desires. For those of you who prefer cryptocurrency, you can opt for Coinbase or Binance. Converting your earnings into digital currency is a breeze with these platforms. Amazon lovers, you're not left out either. Turn your winnings into Amazon credit and shop till you drop. And for those who use other virtual wallets, rest assured, Givvy has got you covered. The app caters to a variety of wallets, making your withdrawal process as smooth as silk. Getting your winnings is as easy as clicking a button. Givvy Lucky Numbers app offers a fun and exciting way to earn real money. And the best part? It's completely free. It's your chance to win up to $1,000 every 10 minutes with the thrill of a free lottery right in your pocket. And cashing out? Easier than ever with options like PayPal, Coinbase, and even Amazon. So why wait? Start earning real money with Givvy Lucky Numbers app today. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Until next time.